Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where style meets practicality, and WAE bring you the most unique and value-packed finds online. Today, we're checking out what might just be the best colorful crew socks for women available on Amazon. The IDALOP 20 pairs colorful striped quarter crew socks. That's right, 20 pairs of vibrant, stylish, comfy socks that are a total game changer for your sock drawer. Let's dive right in. These socks are made from a blend of 65% polyester, 30% spandex, and 5% other fibers. That combo means they're not only soft and lightweight, but also breathable and flexible. You won't get that sticky, sweaty feeling on your feet. They actually help keep moisture away while retaining their shape wash after wash. Whether you're running errands, relaxing at home, or heading to the gym, these socks have your back, or rather, your feet. Now, let's talk design. You get 20 unique color combinations, including bright reds, greens, yellows, blues, a full rainbow of stripes. Each pair pops with character. If you're the kind of person who loves to add a splash of color to your outfit, these socks are the perfect low-key fashion statement. Pair them with sneakers, casual shoes, or even boots. They adapt to your vibe effortlessly. These are quarter crew socks, which means they hit just above the ankle, giving you enough coverage without being too high. Worried about wear and tear? Don't be. These socks are built to last. They retain their elasticity and vibrant colors even after multiple washes. So if you're someone who tosses your socks in with every load, no worries, they'll still look and feel new. And here's a bonus. They make amazing gifts. With so many colors and such comfortable wear, this set is a perfect surprise for a loved one. Think Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or even graduation. You're not just giving socks, you're giving 20 fun little mood boosters for someone's feet. Quick note: if you're outside the US, as of now, these can't be shipped to all international locations, including India. So just double check the delivery options before ordering. Let's wrap it up. The IDALOP 20 pairs colorful striped quarter crew socks bring together everything we love: color, comfort, quality, and great value. It's no surprise this pack has become a go-to choice for so many. Whether you're looking to refresh your own sock game or gift someone else with a burst of joy, this set has you covered, literally. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more budget-friendly, colorful, and clever finds, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We'll see you in the next one. Happy sock shopping!